Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. I hope you're doing well today. I hope everyone's staying healthy and finding ways to keep yourself occupied if you're doing the self-isolation, staying at home. And I find crafting is one way to spend some of your time and to be creative. So today is basically just a show and tell of some cards that I've been making. I was able to deliver some cards yesterday to a friend and gave her some extra ones to pass on to her mom and another friend of hers. And so that was a nice way to share what I love to do. And so today I've got a lot of hello cards that I wanted to share with you and just to maybe give you some ideas of how you can create some for yourself. So basically what I've used for these is this hello stamp right here. It's got kind of a pretty swirl design on the top and bottom of it. And that seems to have been my favorite one to use for these. And so I'll go ahead and show you some of the ones I've done here. Now I've used my rectangle dies with the dot edging on there and cut lots of different scrapbook papers out for that to give a different look. And I used the smaller label die for this one and stamped the hello on there, and then I used 3D dots on the back to raise it up a little bit. And I've left these all blank inside as well, so I could write whatever message I want, or if I want to just give them to someone so that they can use them, then they're ready for that. So this one is just an ocean scene on here, and then I've left it blank inside, and I've got my Designs by Shell handcrafted with care on the back of some of them. So there's that one. This one is a grid pattern. It's got a little floral design up there. I layered a couple of the labels on this one and did the same hello and used a little kind of a vinyl arrow on there just to kind of dress it up a little bit. There's that. Here's one with, I used a kind of a watercolor paper on the back of this, and then the larger label die in a kind of a pretty green there, and then added some little embellishments out of the paper. I cut out that little leaf separately, and then there's a little bird kind of on a wire there, so that one turned out nice. Then I did some with black and white, so they're a little more I don't know, just maybe a little more masculine. But good for anyone, I think. So this one has little anchors and on top of it here on the black background, and that looks neat. And then here's one with flowers, and the same thing on here with the hello. Just put them all on 3D dots on the back to raise them up. So that's ready to go. And here's one with a blue floral background, like so. And then here's another one here I've done with polka dots on it, and then a little kind of just a muted floral pattern on the label there. And then the hello I embossed with the silver embossing powder, and I've done a few of those with the silver embossing. Here's the next ones. I used some sparkle paper for these, and then these ones I've also done the embossing on the stamp. I just think it really kind of makes it pop and makes it kind of special. So this one is the pink kind of glitter paper there, and along the edges of this I just took my a pink stamp and just kind of lightly brushed around the edges of the label just to make it stand out a little bit more. Here's one with the gold paper on the back there, and then the hello is embossed again. And then I've done one in silver, and it's got the silver sparkle paper, and then the hello is in silver as well, so that looks really nice. So there's those. That's some ideas for you to do. What else have I done here? Let's see. I did a different stamp. This is just a little bit plainer, I think, from these ones, but as far as the stamp goes itself, the stamp just said hello, and then I stamped these on and the flowers, and then I used just my Tombow brushes, brush pens to color them in. So you could do that any way you liked. And I also did the edging, just some yellow around the edge to kind of brighten that up a bit. So there's that one. And then I used a different little stamp that says hello with a little banner on here, like this, and did on this card here with the gold, and then I stamped the flowers and the little greenery on there again, and then colored those in as well, and did the edges of that. So I hope that gives you some ideas. These are some of the rectangles size that I die cut for the cards. And I also used these flower stamps here and just kind of went around the edges of these labels here and stamped a couple of different types of the flower, and then just colored those in with my Tombow brush pens as well. So those turn out really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.